So welcome, in this video we are going to learn SMTP auxiliary module in Metasploit. The SMTP enumeration module will connect to a given mail server and use a word list to enumerate users that are present on the remote system. Let's open up terminal and type msf console. Let's load SMTP enum module. Type use auxiliary / scanner SMTP SMTP_enum. Type info. Here you can see that basic options as our host, the target address range or CIDR identifier, the R port, the target port, threads, the number of concurrent threads, and so on. Let's scan 192.168.0.17 host. Type nmap 192.168.0.17. Here you can see that 25 or TCP SMTP service is opened here. Using the module is a simple matter of feeding it a host or range of hosts to scan a word list containing username to enumerate. Let's set remote host address of a Metasploitable2 victim PC. Type set our host 192.168.0.17. Type show options. Here you can see that all required options are set. Let's execute it. Here you can see that 192.168.0.17 25 banner 220 metasploitable.local domain SMTP postfix. Banner is grabbed. Since the email username and system username are frequently the same, you can now use any enumerated users for further login attempts against other network services. So that's it in this video on SMTP enum, which is SMTP auxiliary module in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.